Very good morning to all of you. Now let's start with chapter 6 part 2, that is using undo and redo commands. See, Microsoft Word keeps track of all the changes that we make in a document. Means whatever the changes you are doing, it will keep track of it. We can easily undo any change and restore the original text. Suppose you have deleted something by mistake, so you can get it back. For that, there is option available, undo. This option reverses the effect of the last command. Okay? To reverse one or more than one action, click on the undo button present on the quick access toolbar as shown in figure. Now, what is redo command? To reverse the action of the undo command, click on the redo button present on the quick access toolbar itself. Now let's have a look at the shortcut key. The shortcut keys for undo is Ctrl+Z and the shortcut key for redo command is Ctrl+Y. So all of you remember these keys, Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y. Now let's see the next topic, that is checking spellings and grammar. See, students, you know that the Word has a built-in dictionary and a set of grammatical rules to check the spellings and grammar of the text document. So if you want to check your text, if you want to check your grammar, you have to use these options. Incorrectly spelled words are displayed with a single red wavy line under them. So red wavy line means what? Spelling error. Now, grammatical errors are indicated with a green wavy line. So green wavy line means grammar error. The spell check starts from the position of the cursor and checks the complete document. A simple method to correct the spelling of any word when the red line appears is as follows. First of all, right click on the word with a red wavy line. A shortcut menu opens as shown in figure, which displays various suggestions. Select the correct spelling from the suggestions list. Microsoft Word automatically replaces the incorrect spelling with the selected option. Okay, so this way you can check for the spellings suggestions. We can also click on spelling and grammar button in the proofing group on the review tab to correct the spellings and grammar in the document. So which group you will go? You will go to the proofing group, and in which tab? Review tab. The spelling and grammar dialog box appears with the wrong spelling highlighted in red along with a list of suggestions as shown in figure. The shortcut key to check spellings and grammar is F7 key, which is the function key. What is the shortcut key? F7. Now let's see the thesaurus. Now what is this thesaurus? See, thesaurus helps to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms and antonyms. If you want to go for this thesaurus command, first of all, select the word for which you want to find the synonym or antonym. Okay, as shown in figure, I have written few text. Now, click on the Review tab and select the Thesaurus option in the proofing group. After you click on this, the Research Task pane opens, displaying the synonyms and antonyms on the right side of the window. See, move the mouse pointer to the suitable word. Click on the drop-down button and select the Insert option. Okay, so the existing word will be replaced with the new one. Getting? So here a chapter ends. I hope that all your concepts cleared. Thank you for watching my video.